The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Beaver County, northwestern Lipscomb County, northeastern Ochiltree County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Booker, or 8 miles northeast of Perryton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect some tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Perryton and Booker. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Lipscomb and Ochiltree.